Hello everyone, my name is Maddie and our Soundscape Group consists of Shamima, Shubham and myself. For our Soundscape project, we have chosen two pictures. The first one, there's a tower with a man in front of it, and the second one is a picture of a futuristic world. The idea behind the soundscape is that the man is walking towards a tower, and as he approaches the tower, an alarm goes off from the tower indicating some sort of danger. Despite the alarm, the man manages to enter the tower and discovers a futuristic world.
The sounds of the space jets, fountains, alarm, thunderstorm, and winds were made with several props, such as reverse parking sound, lighters, dustbin, and staircase respectively.
One major challenge faced during the soundscape is that we had to change the original chosen picture since we could not come up with a proper storyline. While recording the sound of rock falling, there was unnecessary noises such as the engines of vehicles, rainfall, constant bird chirps, and people talking. To overcome these challenges, we had to wait for the noise to disseminate, and the other day we had to shoot in a quiet and empty classroom.